Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's class, as usual, it is going to be very interesting because today we are going to learn a very new thing, that is new technique, new logic. Let's have a look. The title of this today's video is Maths Magical Trick. This is a magical trick. So most of the time students have a confused or they have a doubt regarding this type of problem, additions of two mixed fractions. So these are the mixed fractions. Now we have to add up this mixed fraction. This is 5:1/6 plus 3:1/7. Most of the time the students have a confused or they have a doubt in order to solve this type of problem, the additions of mixed fractions. Now in this video I am going to show you a very easy trick so that everyone can learn. Let's have a look what you have to do. So these are whole number, so these 5 and 3 you have to add these two number. If we add these two number, you have to add these two number, then definitely it will give you 8, right? Then there is a fraction, so write the fraction. So what you will write in the numerator and what should be the denominator. The trick is that, so first you have to add up these two number you have to add. So 6 plus 7, that is 13. 13 you have to write in the numerator. 13 you have to write in the numerator. Now you have to multiply these two number. You have to multiply these two number. You have to write in the denominator. 6 7 here 42. So 42. So this is the answer for these additions. 8:13/42 is the correct answer for these additions. Now similarly, yes, similarly this one. So this is the additions of the mixed fraction. This is 3:1/4 plus 5:1/7. So this is the whole number. These two numbers first you have to add up. So if we're going to add these two numbers, it will give you 8, right? 8. Now there is a fraction, so write the fractions. Now in order to write the numerator, you have to add these two numbers. You have to add these two numbers. 7 plus 4, that will be give you 11, right, in the numerator. Now multiply these two numbers. If we multiply these two numbers, 4 7 here 28. 28. So 8:11/28 is the correct answer for these additions. These are the additions of mixed fractions. I hope it's clear to everyone, but still if you have any doubt or if you have any difficulty to understand these problems, you can write in a comment box. I'll be there to clear your doubts, to clear your difficulties. So thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share it among your friends or subscribe my channel in order to get more benefit from my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Thank you.